Unwrap Your Potential. Understanding, be gifted. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unwrap a very special English phrase that you might have heard and wondered about. Be gifted. This phrase can open doors to new ways of expressing talent and ability in English. So, let's dive in and discover what it truly means to be gifted. Be gifted is a phrase that implies having natural talent or ability in a specific area. When we say someone is gifted, we are acknowledging that they have a remarkable skill or aptitude that seems to come to them without much effort. It's like a gift, something valuable that is given without expecting anything in return. This phrase often refers to innate abilities in areas like music, art, academics, sports, or other fields. Using be gifted in a sentence is straightforward. Here's how you might see it applied. My sister is gifted at playing the violin. She plays beautifully without ever having taken lessons. The gifted students were placed in advanced classes to challenge their abilities. Notice how be gifted can be used in both present and past sentences, referring to a current state or a past observation. There are several expressions related to be gifted that you might also find useful. Talented. This is a more general term that implies having a special skill or ability. Innate ability. This refers to a skill or talent that a person was born with, not acquired through learning. Prodigy. A young person who is extraordinarily talented or gifted in one or more areas. In different cultures, the concept of being gifted can have various implications. Some cultures may place a high value on being gifted and may provide special opportunities for gifted individuals. In contrast, other cultures might not emphasize or recognize giftedness as much. It's important to address some common misconceptions. Being gifted does not mean that a person will find everything easy. Gifted individuals often work very hard to develop their talents. Not every skill or talent is easily seen as being gifted. Sometimes, a gift may be in areas like leadership, empathy, or creative thinking. We hope this exploration of the phrase, be gifted, has been enlightening. Whether you're gifted with language, music, or any other skill, remember that every talent is worth celebrating. Keep practicing your English, and who knows, you may discover a hidden gift for languages. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.